Welcome back to Affiliate Rescue. Remember that no matter where you are in the world, you have the power to do something today to change your life drastically tomorrow. Let's get our learn on. Today I'm going to share with you a link source that used to be reserved for only members of a certain mastermind, but now it is open publicly. And I'm sharing this to encourage people to use this for their guest posts. And if you join through my link below, you'll get personal attention from Kosta and his team. They are absolutely incredible. And there are many places you can buy guest posts, but this is one of my first ones I go to, and I'll tell you why in this video. So stay with me till the end. I'm going to share with you exactly how I use quality guest posts. The link is below. Check that out. And I've been working with Kosta for many, many years. I've met him in person. We've spoken at events together. He's a great guy. Quality Guest Post has a team that is unparalleled when it comes to providing customer support and a unique service that can really ramp up your search engine rankings. So this is something I've used to make 5 and 6 figures in affiliate marketing in a month. So this is something you do not want to omit in your link building strategy. So let's go right at it. So the first thing you do once you're logged in is build links. So they have guest posts on real sites. They even have PBNs. I recommend that you only use those on certain occasions, pillar pages that you're looking to power up, or what we call parasite SEO, which is when you try to rank a high authority newspaper article or other authority site and post your content on that. Use it very sparingly on your sites. They can be a little bit dangerous and not natural, your link profile. So these are for, or tier 2, they work really well for as well. But I usually use those in very, very small doses. So let's go right here. And the first thing we're going to do is pick a client. We'll just use diamondcuts.com, a domain I used to promote for a while. And what you can do is you can sort everything in here by filters. So you can go organic traffic. Organic traffic, let's go 1,000 to 10,000, right? Now you can also type in the keywords you want in the domain. So for this one, I would say jewelry. And you can also hit synonyms. So it's got jewel, keywords and homepage title will do the same. And if you look at the right side, it's got number of matching sites in their database. Jewelry is a very refined, unique niche category. So it's probably a bad example to give here. I'm going to take it out of the homepage title, and that pushes us to 9. But you can also play with this and just do, gifts, or actually let's do this, luxury. 8 have the keyword in the domain. That's pretty cool. So let's just go with homepage title, and we'll do diamonds. He's got 3. Let's go luxury here. 39. So you can see there's options for everything. So let's actually, now that we explored that, and it's a very unique and niche, this guy has 65,000 websites in his database that you can get guest posts from. So let's go to another one. Let's go to Brio, which is real estate. 0. Okay. There's 25 in real estate. That's pretty good. So you can even sort by homepage description, keywords and navigation, keywords and homepage H2, H1. You can get as granular as you want with this information to help you find a home for your guest post. And you're going to not get just some crap. A lot of times when you order guest posts from a random seller, you're going to get a post about real estate, and it's going to be on a business tech site, which could talk about investing in crypto. It could talk about real estate. It could talk in managing your money. And to me, those are really okay to sculpt your site once in a while, but I like to get as granular and close and parallel to my niche as possible. So this is a good one right here. Homepage in title. You can go outbound links right here. You can type in, parameters like that. It's going to trim this down by 1, and domain rating, which is very important. Let's kick this up to a 20. Okay. So that brings it to 19 websites we have in the pool. All right. So we're just going to go real estate, and we're going to go Broward County real estate. Words in the article, you can adjust this. There's 800 on this one here. I like to play with this and change it for every one, because if every one of your guest posts has 2 images and 1,000 words, it's going to look a little weird. So play with these numbers, move them around a little bit. Sometimes use 4, sometimes use 2. You can mask it with authority links. So that's linking out to a very credible website like the Better Business Bureau or money.com or something that's relevant to your niche, and they will add those for you. Now, the coolest thing is this is where you get your relevancy from and where you really rank. keywords to include in the title and URL, right? So this is going to be what your article's about. So investing in Broward County real estate. Let's just go property, right? To give it a lot of relevancy. You can also select your niche down here. They do have a direct real estate category. And from here, you can choose a package. So here's your organic monthly traffic, 50 to 2,000 or just 2,000, right? So 2,000 plus. And the prices are for each one different, $124.99, and here it's $199.99. You're going to get some fantastic links out of there. So once you do all that, simply click add item, and I need to choose the project. It looks like Bria, there it is. And once that's all added, you click add. Oh, fallback, I missed something else. Relevance. You can go on metrics. So if you want to get something from a powerful domain with metrics, that's what you can choose. I like to go relevant. So this is going to fall into something that's loosely or closely relevant to real estate. So very important. I choose relevance every single time. From the action, there's less than 20 sites. So again, I'm niching down, but that's fine. They will find one. All I need is one here. And there it is. Everything's going to be perfectly set up. They use reverse sink or swim, right? Keywords. So reverse sink or swim is basically like if you're trying to rank a real estate page, you're going to want to have that in the URL of your guest post or the title or both, right? So I make sure that that's in there. Always include like a keyword or partial keyword in one of the two or something generic to theme it for it. You don't want to post about best shopping tips and then you work in a real estate site, a real estate link, right? So that's trash to me. This is the most relevant. There's no guesswork here. You are fine tuning the order, as they say right here. Add it to cart. And here it is. You check out. They're going to send you a confirmation email and off to the races you go. I use these guys every single month. They are my go-to for guest posts because everything is so controllable here. They're also launching homepage links, which are very powerful, very soon. So you can play around with this and order your guest posts. There's no more guesswork anymore, you guys. There's a lot of good agencies out there that sell guest posts, but for me, quality guest posts is the number one solution that I use when I buy backlinks. So I encourage you to check them out. Tell them I sent you. If you exchange emails with the crew, which you will, you'll get a follow-up after that. If I can help you personally formulate a link purchase for your site, hit me up below. My contact information will be there. Thanks for watching. I am Tim Schmidt, and I will catch you in the next video.